Hey Siri, show me laundromats near me.
One option is Easy Wash on Harry
Okay.
Road in San Antonio. It gets 50% positive ratings. Does that one sound good?
No, it sounds like... I keep telling you people that you can't just go out and scout and find horrific, disgusting, filthy, nasty laundromats, which is precisely what we are looking for, because the internet does not know where these locations exist. Think about it. These people have given up on advertising years ago, and not only given up on advertising, but given up on paying the small bills, and what they consider small is a phone bill. Now, I talk about this in my course. What will get you in Yelp, YP.com, and most importantly, Google, a telephone, without doing anything else. And to get even further, eventually, when you take over your store, you're going to check on all of those listings and you're going to make sure that you take them over properly, but I digress. So here's the thing about those stores. They're listed on Google, they're in Siri, they're in YP.com. They're going to be located on the internet. So I guarantee you, we can drive to all of these stores and they're going to be nice. Maybe not the best, and we can always find some issues with just about every laundromat. If you own a store, you know this about yourself. These are not the stores we are looking for. You need to do an FBI grid pattern search. You need to drive. Sorry, there's no other way to do it. You can talk to people in some of the better stores and ask them, where did you used to do your laundry? Why don't you go there any longer? And those will be the gems. These are not the gems. You have to drive. There's no website, no distributor is going to tell you where these stores are. And when I say good stores, I mean horrible stores. We are scouting for train wrecks, and you can't use the internet to find them. We're scouting laundromats and we're in Texas, so I can already tell you that the frontage is really nice. One thing is interesting, I wouldn't be thrilled about this location because we just got sent in a big circle when I did the Google map thing, and that's because it's a one-way street. There's only one exit, so there's a natural barrier here. Not the greatest location due to that fact. You can only come in from one direction. I'm not just trying to pick on the place, but that's a small thing, but it does exist. Let's see if you guys can guess what day of the week it is after we walk through this place. If there's an attendant, we'll find him in 2 seconds. Oh, sorry. Someone's shitting. Apart from these two washers, this place has recently been retooled. It exists on Google, it exists on YP.com, and it is on the internet. You're not scooping this place up. Again, try to guess, you tell me, what day of the week is it, judging by the number of folks that are in here. That store is $30,000 a month, easily, handily, because today's Tuesday, and it's literally rocking and rolling. This is not how you scout laundromats. We could talk to someone at this location and chat them up. You don't need to have a camera. The camera is actually a hindrance to me when I do this type of thing because they want to know what the camera's all about. Who am I? Why do they want to talk to me? What's it for? So you're going to go incognito. I guarantee you the first person that I ask, hi, what do you like about this place? And where did you used to do laundry? They'll point us to a location that is nasty because it makes perfect sense. Let's talk to this guy. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
I just did ask you a question. How long have you been coming here? This laundromat?
I'm 18 years.
Okay. Where did you go before that?
Right here, but they're messed up the kitchen, the washing machines, and the dryers are.
Right.
They don't breathe, no drums, like they have to wash it because it's like
Yeah, they don't wipe them down.
Yeah.
Sure. All right. We're talking how far down is that place? Okay. Couple of blocks. Perfect. All right. You're awesome. Thank you so much. Thanks for taking the time. Happy Tuesday. Proof positive. The first person that I asked that little spiel, right? How long have you been coming here? You'll get an answer. And then, where did you used to go? And it's always the same, I swear to you. I used to go a block away, and that place sucks because of X, Y, and Z. Can you tell me where the bad part of town is?
I'm not sure I'm not from around here.
Well, that's my problem. Where are you from?
Down near Leon Valley.
Okay. You don't have a general direction of like where the bad part of town is? Close to the airport, probably.
Yeah, down right over there is the airport, so I'd say go down here.
Yeah.
Possibly?
Is your name really Brian?
No, it's Larry.
Your name is not Larry. Thanks, man. Thank you, Larry. I love your body, Larry.
Bruh.
It's from a movie, and you wouldn't know that.
I love your body, Larry.
Sir? Sir? He's directing me. I know you wanted to be a traffic cop. Where is the bad part of town?
The bad part of it?
Bad part of town. We're looking for a terrible laundromat. Everybody knows where the bad part.
There's a laundromat right around the corner.
Yeah, that's a nice laundromat, though. Where do you do your laundry?
At home.
Good man. All right, well, we'll head towards the airport. That's always the bad part of town.
You know, I think the airport's on the north side of town in this particular city.
Yeah.
It's actually in a pretty decent area.
Well, I would say thank you for your help, but
I do apologize for not being more help.
thanks, dude. I would also say stay safe, but you're basically a mall cop, so you're gonna be pretty safe.
After 6 years of keeping malls safe,
Take someone who has spidey senses.
Feeling your pain, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm driving around in a town that I don't know, and just like you don't know where laundromats are because you don't frequent laundromats, and you're looking for nasty ones. And I'm feeling your pain. I saw a cop. So let's go over here. The police, not only do they know where everything is, they know where the good restaurants are, but they also know where the laundromats are because they've probably rousted people out of there and they've dealt with the knuckleheads, as I like to call them. So this guy's probably going to be used to getting filmed. Let's go, Eric. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Where is the nastiest laundromat in this area? Like where you would not send your worst enemy?
I have no clue.
Is this like your turf, your territory in this area?
Correct.
You don't usually throw homeless people out of the laundromats around here?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Mm.
And actually, we don't have any laundromats.
Because this is a nice neighborhood, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Damn it.
So there's no laundromats here.
Well, I'm the self-proclaimed king of laundry, and
Okay.
we're in another town, and we're trying to look for these nasty stores to take over.
Okay.
So which direction would you go from here to find a nasty neighborhood?
Probably down Austin Highway.
Okay. So how far?
You can go cut through this street right here.
Okay.
All the way down.
Okay.
On North New Braunfels, you're gonna take a right,
Okay.
and then you'll follow it all the way down to Austin Highway.
Austin Highway.
One more question.
Oh
Can
my-
you pretend to arrest him for the camera?
Oh yeah. She doesn't have to do anything. Just look mad. Just look angry. Just look angry. She's smiling at me. You're a badass. Appreciate you. Thank you. Well, I called it. I don't have to break my arm patting myself on the back, but this neighborhood is just too nice. We don't live where we run our stores. You might be able to go 5 blocks in one direction in New York City and end up in a sort of nasty neighborhood, but it's not going to happen where there's a little bit of sprawl. So off we go. Again, I feel your pain, but the issue is that her beat was this area, which is upper echelon nice folks. You might think I'm staging things like this when I say, hey, we're going to ask an existing customer and they're going to tell us where the nastiest laundromat is, but there it is. It's a block that way. It works every time. And if that doesn't work for you, talk to the police. You saw how that worked out.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.